Hi, this is Simon Chari from Class 1, and today here's an advanced video on how to create a recipe on the WM-7S. So we go up to Setup, we go to Recipe Input, we click on a recipe that we want to edit, and then right here we can change the recipe name, the edge cut, the wafer mark. This is flat notch, U notch, V notch. If you want it to be printed, if you wanted it transfer so you can put out into an Excel sheet where all the particles are with the X and Y coordinates, you put that to drive. Image save, you just pick which type of image you want it saved, BMP or PNG. So here, the judgment criteria, we can put any warnings for any microns that you want bigger, and then how many. It'll show up a little warning. Here's a max setting. Here you can pick different shapes that you can put on the wafer, and you can have it measured, these shapes, particles inside these shapes or outside of these shapes. And then you click right here if you want it selected. Here's your parameters that you want: normal mode or comparison mode. We'll get to that in a future video. Measurement mode, there's a high resolution, pixel, and haze. We'll also get into that in another video. Map origin and the results. Do you want your X and Y coordinates centered on the wafer, or do you want it on the left hand corner? And then right here you get to pick your sensitivity, and if you have an adapter as well, you pick the adapter. And that is it for creating a recipe.